All right. Number one, a group of biologists is surveying the mice population in a forest. The equation, which is right here, gives the total number of mice M, T years since the survey began. What is the total number of mice after 3 years? So we have our equation here. They want the population after 3 years, so we're going to plug in t equals 3 here. So we're going to plug in t equals 3. So this will be 20,000 times 1/2 to the power of 3. So I'm just going to calculate that in Desmos to get the answer. So let's do that. So 20,000 times 1/2 to the power of 3. So we can see that gives me an answer of 2,500. So 2,500. Okay. In the equation, what does the 20,000 tell us about the situation? All right. So remember, in an exponential equation, the first number tells me the starting value. The second number tells me what I'm multiplying by. All right, how it's changing each year. So the 20,000 tells us the starting number of mice. Okay. And the 1/2 tells me that every year that the number of mice is halving each year. So the number of mice is halving each year. Okay, so that's what the 1/2 tells us. D, sketch a graph for the equation for the value of t between 0 and 5. So we know that it is halving each year. So I know that my starting value at 0 is going to be 20,000. So that's going to be here. Okay. Then year 1, it's going to be half of that. So half of 20,000 is going to be 10,000. All right. And then half of that is going to be 5,000. Okay. And then half of that is going to be 2,500. So this is 1,000, 2,000. So 2,500 is going to be in the middle here. Okay. Half of 2,500. All right, let's do half of 2,500 is 1,250. So 1,250. Okay, here's 1,000, here's 2,000. So that's going to be like in here somewhere. Okay. And then half of 1,250 for year 5 is 625, which is going to be about, here's 0, here's 1,000, so that's going to be in the middle here. So sketch a graph of the equation of the value of t between 0 and 5. We could do this. You could either just do the dots, or if you prefer, you can actually draw the curve between 0 and 5. I'm going to leave that up to you. If you just put the dots in, that's fine. If you want to put in the dots and draw the curve, that's fine too. But that is completely up to you. That is it for number 1.